jingle bells, it is really hot. If we don't fix the air concert, I'm gonna lose the plot. Jingle bells, but it's all okay. I live 5 minutes from the beach, that's where I'm gonna stay. Driving down the street in my little Camry, seeing my in-laws, I'm happy as can be.
That's true.
But I must admit, I'm sick of all the food. If I have one more bite to eat, I'm gonna throw up, dude. Jingle bells, Santa is a creep. If he watched me night and day, he'd get no fucking sleep. Jingle bells, Xmas is a scam. I don't need a bunch of gifts, and turkey's really bland. Visiting my family would be really great, but it's not an option, cause they live out of state.
Thanks, COVID.
But there is one thing that makes it all okay, and that is seeing my daughter and husband every day.